how to create a Facebook page on your computer or laptop. So this can be really useful if you wanted to set up something like a Facebook page for your business. Now the first thing you need to do is just head over to the website facebook.com. Once you're signed into your account, click on See More over in the left-hand navigation. You then need to scroll down to Pages and go and click on this. Now select Create New Profile or Page. So if you want to create just another personal Facebook account, then you can select Personal Profile. But if you want to set up a page for your business, or if you're a creator, then select Public Page like this and press Next. Click on Get Started, and now we can start setting up our page. So the first thing you need to do is go and give your page a name. Now this will typically be the name of your business. You can click on Category. You can then search for your industry and go and select a category from the list. You can also add a description, which is optional. We can always add this at a later date, so I'm just going to press Create Page. Now over in the right hand side, you'll be able to see a preview of what your page currently looks like. So over in this left hand side, you can start filling out all of your different information. Now you can decide to do this at a later date, so I'm just going to press Next. You can then add a profile picture and also a cover photo, then press Next. You have the option to connect your WhatsApp to your page, or you can just press Skip. You can then invite your Facebook friends to come and like your page, and then press Next. And finally click on Done. Now that will automatically redirect you to your page's profile, and from this dashboard we can go and customize and change all of the different sections. So the main thing that you'll be using is the professional dashboard here, and also the edit button to go and customize the different sections. So that's how you create a page in Facebook. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.